7:37 in the morning time on this Monday morning, November 25th, 2013 on a Monday morning. It's time now for the weather magician PJ Wiggins, the Border Report. Monday, November 25th, 2013. A good morning on this lovely Monday morning on current conditions at 7:37 in the morning time. We have a temperature 18 degrees with a humidity at 43%. Fair skies with a wind speed up at west about 6 miles per hour, barometer 3.34 inches, 2.1 below, visibility 10 miles, with a wind chill 10 degrees above zero. Okay, let's take a look at our
The new dry erase letter board from Crayola.
Southern Little Wind shows a couple of patches of snow showers in eastern Nova Scotia, a lot of snow showers in southern Quebec, and a lot of snow showers in western Prince Edward Island, Canada. A lot of rain and snow showers off the eastern Prince Edward Island coast of Canada. But this is gonna be our storm system.
The new Crayola dry erase letter board. This holiday, decorate
A big swath of rain showers from much of Texas, from Dallas, stretching to Dawson, San Antonio, down to Corpus Christi, stretching out to Houston, stretching off Corpus Christi, Brownsville, and southern Texas and northeast New Mexico, and stretching out to Northern Louisiana, down from western Mississippi, down to eastern Arkansas, then over there, a few sleet pelts in central Tennessee, and a few ice pelts from northeastern Texas, and weighted ice mixing around northern Dallas, and stretching out to the central Texas over Mexico, and sleep pelts stretching out western Arkansas to northwestern Louisiana, and down to southeastern Oklahoma, patches of snow and ice pelts in southern Oklahoma, and the snow showers in northeastern Oklahoma, down for northwestern Arkansas, down for southwestern Missouri, and southeastern Kansas. There. A couple of line of snow showers from eastern Missouri, down for western Illinois, down for eastern Iowa, a few sleep outs, and stretching out for southern Wisconsin and over Illinois, stretching Lake Michigan, and stretching the western part of Michigan, and down for UP and Michigan, down for Ontario, down for western Quebec, and stretching out for northeastern Minnesota, and stretching out into southern Manitoba. Sleet and rain pelts in northeastern Nebraska. And a couple of live snow showers in southern Colorado, and down for New Mexico. Northern New Mexico, blobs of snow showers in western part of Alberta, and stretching in eastern parts of British Columbia, slated rain showers in
phone with a better camera.
north central British
A
Columbia.
lot of cannabis moments. I checked out the windows.
Hope, Glen, Montana. Good morning, 17 degrees with clear skies. Alright, let's take a look at our satellite. Oh, it shows.
And I can adjust the shot before I take it, so I get it exactly how I want. So I went with the window.
A couple of patches of clouds from New Hampshire, Maine, and stretch it out up in the western Quebec and Ontario, and stretch it out into Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta, and stretch it down to the Great Lakes states, and stretch it out for the Southern Plains states, and down for Texas, and stretch it out for Oklahoma, down for southern Nebraska,
Will be turned on December 4th.
and a couple of patches of clouds from western Washington, down for British Columbia, down for western Alberta, and down for
We don't know that, but we do.
western clouds from Colorado and New Mexico.
Consumer Reports annual holiday report card. It's Nadia.
All right,
Senior editor Todd Marks is with us now. Good morning to you.
let's take a look at.
These we're about to name.
Nope, nothing going on, Roberts.
In general, these are
Okay, let's take a look at our map situation. It shows station front in New Brunswick and up into
At a time of year, consumers
Newfoundland, high pressure shattered in Western Virginia, and a high pressure stretching around Western Texas, bringing all the storminess to Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi. And a frontal boundary from Northern Mississippi down to Northern Alabama. Another frontal boundary from Colorado for southwestern Kansas and Oklahoma. And another frontal boundary from eastern Arizona down to New Mexico. And a frontal boundary from western Mexico.
so it's up $10.
And station cold front from southern tip of Alberta down from Montana and one South Dakota down to Minnesota. And a warm front in northern Ontario, low pressure centered in western Ontario. High pressure centered in northern Nevada and eastern Washington. Okay, let's take a look at our temperatures. It's 19 in Boston, 25 out in Washington, 30 out in Atlanta, 73 out in Miami, 43 out in Brownsville, 33 in Dallas, 30 in Kansas City, Detroit, and Salt Lake City, 25 in Chicago, 31 out in Minneapolis, 27 in Albuquerque, 20 in Great Falls, 28 in Seattle, 48 in San Francisco. It's called 51 in Los Angeles. Alright, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast goals like this. For today, San Scott high near 33 degrees, west wind about 6 to 10 miles per gusty high 20 miles per hour. Tonight, increase of clouds with a low end 27 degrees, southwest wind about 5 miles per hour. Tuesday, a chance of rain mainly after 3 p.m. Clouds high near 47 degrees, southwest wind about 5 to 7 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 40%. New precipitation rates less than 7 inches possible. Tuesday night, rain low around 40 degrees, light east wind becoming southeast about 8 to 13 miles per hour in the evening. Chance of precipitation is 100%. New precipitation rates between the half and 3/4 inch possible. Wednesday, rain high near 60 degrees, south wind about 18 miles per hour, gusty highs 34 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 100%. New precipitation rates between 1 and 2 inches possible. Wednesday night, showers before midnight, low around 31 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 80%. New precipitation rates between the 7/4 inch possible. Thanksgiving Day, most of the Scott high near 35 degrees. Thursday night, most of the Scott low 21 degrees. Friday, San Scott high near 34 degrees. Friday night, most of the Scott low 22 degrees. Saturday, most of the Scott high near 35 degrees. Saturday night, most of the Scott low 25 degrees for Sunday. Most of the Scott high near 40 degrees. Peters, what a phrase of the day!
$15 to $35. Of course,
Nice, sunny and a frigid start to this Monday morning. This is PJ with some hey, what a good positive attitude.
that's a nice
Bundle up.
credit link fee for you.